got this feeling inside my bones. It goes electric wavy when I turn it on. All through my city, all through my home. We're flying up, no ceiling when we in our zone. I got that sunshine in my pocket, got that good soul in my feet. I feel that hot blood in my body when it drops. Ooh, I can't take my eyes off of it, moving so phenomenally. You're more like the way we rock it, so don't stop. And under the lights when everything goes, nowhere to hide when I'm getting you close. When we move, well, you already know. So just imagine. Nothing I can see but you when you dance, dance, dance. Feel good, good creeping up on you. So just dance, dance, dance. Come on. All those things I shouldn't do, but you dance, dance, dance. And ain't nobody leaving soon, so keep dancing. I can't stop the feeling. So just dance, dance, dance. So just dance, 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 come on. Ooh, it's something magical. It's in the air, it's in my blood, it's rushing on. I don't need no reason, don't need control. I fly so high, no ceiling when I'm in my zone. Cause I got that sunshine in my pocket, got that good soul in my feet. I feel that hot blood in my body when it drops. Ooh, I can't take my eyes off.
Come on, you're gonna start clapping harder. Louder, daddy shark, daddy shark, daddy shark, daddy shark. And the maternal grandparents, of course, we have Lawrence Cardoz and Mariana Saldana. Let's clap for them. Well, and will be missed by the paternal grandparents, and of course, it's late Francisco Braz, and yes, Lorena Rodriguez couldn't make it today, but yes, she is praying for them.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Come on, you gotta sing louder. Come on, let's sing. Happy birthday. Come on, you can clap, clap, come on. Wait, on, wait.
Happy birthday, Mona. Ugras
a little bit of trouble, but then yeah, he's there, he's getting it. Yeah, he did this for his wife now, yeah.
Good afternoon, everyone. First and foremost, I would like to thank the Lord Jesus for the lovely gift of our little darling angel, Master Denver, who is turned 1 year old, and I am very happy and honored to be here today. Brenda and Raffleson, as a parents, were very happy on this day when our little angel came to their lives. Being a parent, it is a gift of God, and I must say, God chooses the right people at the right time. God chose you all to be parents together, and here we are almost after a year at this second all-inspiration, mind-blowing reception after your wedding, and nothing short of a class with all the stuff you see here. Also, Brenda, it's good to see the smile happen and on your face, because tell me about it, how challenging and parenthood is. And you are here after a successful completing a year of nappy changing, first fevers probably, first time rollovers and all sorts of things. As I have one, and I can totally relate how challenging parenting is. Congratulations to y'all for making it happen, and what a foundation Denver has got by connecting with you and your family. I believe they are always grounded, calm, composed, and what a great future Denver will have through y'all as a parents marching forward on as journey of the life. So well done. And also, you know, as I raise my glass and make this toast, I wish y'all amazing heartwarming memories as y'all walk on this journey with your little angel. How successfully you have done so well from handling him from a tiny fragile human to a year old today, and that sets him for the rest of his life. Cheers to you and your family. And before I end, I would like to say a Bible verse. Anyone who comes, a little child like this, on my behalf, welcomes me. And anyone who welcomes me, welcomes not only me, but also my Father who sent me. And the child grew and became strong in spirit, filled with wisdom. And the grace of God was upon him. May God be kind to you and give you peace always as family, as parents and grandparents. Thank you for having me here, Brenda.
Well, short and sweet. And that's Miss Brenda Martin. So I think she deserves a loud applause. Come on, let's clap. All right, thank you. And now it's time.
Thank you so much, everybody who are present over here. Thank you so much.
Come on, let's clap one more time. Come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, wait, will join us. Yeah. Perfect. Any more people from here? Come on, we are waiting for you. Come on. Oh yeah, Brenda. Can we clap? What we're gonna do is we'll have this video. Come on, you follow. No. Come here. Follow. Yeah. Or you can just, that's it.
Darling, just dive
And rest of the people, hold your hands, guys.
follow my lead.
Just come forward and go
I
back.
found a girl, beautiful and sweet. Well, I never knew you
Well, he's
were
confused what's going on, but
waiting
she's
for
beautiful.
me. 'Cause we were just kids when we fell in love.
But we're gonna go towards the right. Let's go towards the right. Let's walk towards the right. Yeah.
I will not give you up this time. Darling, just kiss me slow. Your heart is all I own. And in your eyes,
let's go left, yeah.
holding mine. Baby, I'm dancing in the dark with you between my arms,
Forward.
barefoot on the grass, listening to our favorite song. When you said you looked a mess, I whispered underneath my breath, but you heard it, darling. You look perfect.
Well, in case if you have a partner, then please hold on to your partner and you can have a dance. The music will go on.
Well, I found a woman.
It doesn't matter in case you're dancing in the club.
Anyone I know. She shares my dreams. I hope that someday I'll share her home. I found a love to carry more than just my secrets, to carry love, to carry children of our own. We are still kids, but we're so in love, fighting against all odds. I know we'll be alright this time. Darling, just hold my hand. Be my girl, I'll be your man. I see my future in your eyes. Baby, I'm dancing in the dark with you between my arms, barefoot on the grass, listening to our favorite song. When I saw you in that dress, looking so beautiful, I don't deserve this. Darling, you were perfect tonight. Baby, I'm dancing in the dark with you between my arms, barefoot on the grass.
Well, there's gonna be 2 more songs, so please continue dancing, and we're gonna get some more songs for you.
ओ सुर्गीचे बाबा मोगलाचे सूर पवित्र आत्म्या सुर्गीचे माये हे वेळार तुका आर्कां दिता वाकाणटा दिवासतां जेजू ह्या आयच्या दिसा खातीर हे वेळा खातीर तुवें आमकां फावो केल्ल्या खातीर तुका वाकाणटा दोनया तशेंच तुका 3 वाजता दोनया ह्या भुरग्याच्या देण्या पासत एक परस जालें जेजू तुवें ताका भुरग्याक फावो केल्ल्या खातीर तुका 3 वाजता जेजू ताच्या जिविताच्या देण्या खातीर तुका 3 वाजता जेजू तशेंच हांगा हाजीर आसलेले एक एकल्याच्या जिविता पासत हांव 3 वाजता दोनया सगळे तुज्या हातांत आसा जेजू आमी आतां जेवण जेवतल्या तें जेवण तयार करूंक जाय तो तुकोच घेतला तें जेवतल्याचेर आनी तयार करतल्यार तुजो सुद्दां आशिर्वाद आमचेर एक एकल्याचेर पाठय म्हूण मागता तशेंच त्या भुरग्या पासत एक आमचे बापा एक नमान मरे सगळीं बाराबो म्हणुया आमचे बापा स्वर्गीच्या तुजें नांव पवित्र जावं तुजें रायज आमकां तुजी कशी स्वर्गांत जाता तशी संवसारांत जावं आमचो दिसपट्टो गिरायज जायस आमकां दी आनी आमी आमची चुकलेल्या बक्षिता तशी आमची पातकां बोगस आनी आमकां तांणी पडून दिवं नाका पूण वायटांतली आमकां निबार नमान मरे कृपेन बोलले सर्वेस्पो जेते ईसा वस्त्रामध्ये तूं सदो आनी सदोचा पूजेसू बायकती मरे देवाचे माये आमा मप्यांक खाती विनंती कोर आतां आनी आमच्या मरणाच्या वेळार आमेन बापाची आनी पुत्राची आनी पवित्र आत्म्याचे नांवी आमेन
Not forgetting the entire family members, the grandmother, grandfather, the godma, and the relatives and friends. Alright, so there are few people. The cake was done by Vanessa Solis. Thank you, Vanessa. Not forgetting the decoration, the beautiful boss baby, and the balloons. It was all done by the famous decorator. Thank you, Hall, Riverview, Chinchini, for your allowance. For having us use this hall, not forgetting the choice catering all the way from Banalan for snacks and this beautiful food. Well, photography by Rinat Fernandez. Thank you, Rinat, for your presence, for capturing the moments, and Alvin Fernandez, the videographer, and along with his friend. I don't know his name though, but I will get it now. All right, thank you so much. DJ Paulie, a big thank you. He's missing, but a big thank you to him. Solomon, the guy, thank you for your presence and the popping of the champagne, and not forgetting Frida, a big thank you to you as well. And thank you for all of you for your love, for your support towards the family, and of course towards me. Actually difficult, and comparing is not so easy. Laka hard and it's very difficult. And if you don't know me, then I introduced Kerala, but myself, I am Resident Juan Fernandez, so I am basically into choreographers, dance choreographers, couples, I'm dance. I wouldn't say famous, but I'm a bit known. And I do MC. And of course, I don't know if you heard about a song called Ambia Japona, that is my song. So, yes. So this is Resident Juan Fernandez signing off from this today's celebration. So thank you each and everyone. Well, I think the mom wants to say something, so. A big thank you to Wilson. Thank you, Wilson.
Thank you for your support. And yes, Bacha Paris, please don't leave. We have some gifts for you all. So they give, alright. Alright, so rest of you, please be safe. Maybe until we meet again, you may never know. You may meet me, you know, beginners. So thank you. Bye-bye.